You think you are standing on solid ground. You think the sky above you is a calm, static tapestry of distant lights. You have been told that stars are eternal beacons, steadfast and reliable. That is the first great lie of the cosmos. The universe isn't a museum, it is a furnace, an engine of relentless, grinding transformation. And every single light you see in the night sky is either currently dying or has already succumbed to the only law that matters in deep space: the law of total exhaustion. To understand a star, you have to stop looking at it as an object and start seeing it as a desperate act of defiance. Imagine a sphere 1,000 times the size of our sun, made of nothing but raw hydrogen. The moment it coalesces from a cold, dark nebula, it is under an immediate, agonizing death sentence. Gravity, that patient and invisible hunter, begins to squeeze. It doesn't stop, and it doesn't sleep. Gravity wants to crush that star into a single, infinitesimal point of nothingness. The only thing preventing that annihilation is the engine burning in the star's gut. This engine is nuclear fusion. It is a violent, chaotic riot of atoms slamming into each other, generating a pressure that pushes outward, fighting back against gravity's crushing grip. For millions of years, this is a perfect, brutal stalemate. The star glows with an intensity that can blind you, radiating heat across light years, purely because it is fighting to stay alive. It is not peaceful. It is a perpetual, nuclear-powered explosion that is constantly being held back from the brink of total collapse by its own immense mass. But why does the engine eventually fail? It is a matter of chemical exhaustion. The star is a master alchemist, but one that is slowly poisoning itself. It begins by fusing hydrogen into helium, a clean, efficient fuel. But as that runs out, the star panics. It grows hotter and denser, forced to find new fuel to maintain the pressure. It starts cooking helium into carbon, then carbon into neon, oxygen, and silicon. The star begins to layer itself like a cosmic jawbreaker, with the heaviest elements sinking to the deepest, hottest, most desperate heart of the core. The clock officially hits midnight the moment the star starts producing iron. This is the ultimate betrayal of physics. Fusing iron does not produce energy, it consumes it. The very act that is supposed to keep the star alive suddenly becomes the thief that steals its life force. In an instant, the outward pressure vanishes. The stalemate is broken. Gravity, having waited millions of years, finally wins the war. The core, which was once the size of a planet, is crushed